This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the update now. Plug the Dell into AC power and confirm a stable network connection so the download won't fail. Backup crucial files and create a restore point in System Protection in case you need to roll back. Next, open Settings, choose Update and Security, and go to Windows Update, then press Check for updates. This initiates the download and shows required restarts or optional updates. Do this first so the system can gather needed packages. Once updates appear, review optional items like drivers or feature updates and prioritize cumulative security updates for Windows first. If a BIOS or driver update is listed, use Dell Update or Support Assist to ensure compatibility with your model. Choose Install and then select a restart schedule during idle hours to avoid interruptions. Monitor progress in Settings. If installation stalls, pause and resume one update at a time to isolate the issue. Make sure after updates finish, confirm the new Windows 10 build in Settings System About and run Windows Update once more to catch follow-ups. If you see errors, run the Windows Update troubleshooter and free space using disk cleanup. Sometimes pending updates fail due to low storage. If problems persist, boot to safe mode to remove conflicting drivers, or use Dell Recovery to restore factory system files. As a key tip, note the exact error code before searching support resources or contacting Dell. It speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.